Hey guys, for the number talk today, I want you to think about what's your favorite thing that you've been doing these last couple of weeks, or what's your favorite thing to play with these last couple of weeks? And we actually have you kind of measure it in centimeters. And sometimes in life, we have to actually convert between the metric units and the customary units. And I have a very close approximation. So for real, 1 inch is about 2.5 centimeters. You can see 1 inch, if you flip it around, is going to be about 2.5. It's not exactly, it's like 2.54, blah, blah, blah. But for us, we're just going to say 2.5 centimeters. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about what is your favorite thing that you've been doing this time? You can kind of tell me just because I want to know anyway. And then measure it in inches. And following that, I do not want you to measure in centimeters. I want you to convert it. I know you could easily flip the meter stick around and say, oh, it's just this. But I want you to actually convert it. So let's say my favorite thing I've been doing this time has been playing Magic, which is a card game. So I measure it in inches first. And the amount of inches that each card is about 4 inches. So I'd say my favorite thing to do is play Magic. And each card is 4 inches. And then I would multiply that by 2.5 to figure out how many centimeters it would be. So 2.5 times 4. And remember, when we multiply with the decimal, you keep that decimal in there. 4 times 5 is 20, up the 2 up top. 4 times 2 plus 2 is 10. It's not 100 centimeters. That wouldn't make sense because 100 centimeters is this. We have to make sure we put our decimal point in. And we count how many spaces the decimal point went over. 1. So this would be about 10 centimeters long. And once I'm done, I can just kind of double check on the other side and say, oh, yep, that was pretty close. Again, because it's an approximation, it won't be exact, but I want you to come up with, again, what's your favorite thing you've been doing? Maybe it's going to be your Xbox. Maybe it's a basketball outside. Maybe it's a book that you've been reading. I want you to measure it in inches and then convert it into centimeters and kind of show me on the tablet, please. So that's really it. I'll have an example up there. If you have any questions, let me know.